Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is Tintin. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting parts of cruise life, the cocktails. Whether you're relaxing by the pool, watching the sunset at sea, or dancing all night at the bar, these drinks are the top favorites ordered by guests on almost every cruise ship. So let's raise our glasses and start the countdown. Number 10, Mojito. A refreshing mix of white rum, lime juice, sugar, soda water, and fresh mint leaves. Perfect for those sunny sea days, light, minty, and super refreshing. Number 9, Margarita. A beach classic. Tequila, triple sec, and lime juice blended or on the rocks. You'll find this one everywhere, from pool bars to Mexican theme nights on board. Number 8, Piña Colada. Cruising wouldn't be complete without it. Made with rum, coconut cream, and pineapple juice, this creamy tropical drink screams vacation mode. Number 7, Cosmopolitan. Chic and stylish. A vodka-based cocktail with cranberry juice, lime juice, and triple sec. You'll usually spot guests sipping this during formal nights or at the piano bar. Number 6, Long Island Iced Tea. This one's powerful. A mix of vodka, rum, gin, tequila, triple sec, lemon juice, and cola. Guests love it because it looks innocent but packs a punch. Number 5, Mai Tai. A tropical legend made from light and dark rum, lime juice, orange curacao, and orgeat syrup. It's fruity, tangy, and a big favorite in Caribbean cruises. Number 4, Bloody Mary. Perfect for sea day bunches. Vodka, tomato juice, lemon, and a mix of spices. It's a hangover cure and breakfast cocktail in one. Number 3, Strawberry Daiquiri. Sweet, frozen, and Instagram worthy. Blended with rum, lime, and fresh strawberries. It's one of the most photogenic drinks you'll see by the pool. Number 2, Bahama Mama. A true cruise classic. Dark rum, coconut rum, orange juice, pineapple juice, and grenadine. It tastes like tropical paradise in a glass. And number 1, Frozen Mango or Miami Vice. This one tops the chart. The Miami Vice is a mix of piña colada and strawberry daiquiri, giving you 2 flavors in one glass. Sweet, creamy, and so popular that guests order it all day long. So there you have it, the top 10 most ordered cocktails by guests on cruise ship. Whether you're working on board or planning to sail soon, these drinks are must try. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cruise life stories and behind the bar secret from the high seas. This is Tintin, and thank you for watching.